Hi, my name is Jeff, and I manage the truck movements inside ABC Corporation. In our factory, effective management of truck loading and unloading operations is crucial for maintaining efficiency, reducing costs, and ensuring seamless movement of the truck inside the factory. However, we face significant challenges that hinder our operational effectiveness. The process starts with the truck scheduler planning the trucks for loading or unloading. In case of own fleet, the trucks are assigned to sales orders or purchase orders or stock transfer movements. On the day of the operations, the truck arrives at the gate. From check-in of the trucks, to confirming parking and security documentation, the security personnel have a Herculean task to be quick and efficient. The scheduler, depending upon the availability, would assign loading or unloading bays to the approved trucks. The truck can then move towards the operations area. As soon as the operations are completed, the truck is validated physically and checklists are approved. Loading systems then have the information which should be integrated with the ERP systems for faster completion of operations and enabling the truck to exit with all relevant documentation. We need a software solution to manage in-factory truck movements and integrate seamlessly with SAP. By implementing a tailored software solution, we can minimize delays, meet delivery deadlines, and remain competitive in the industry.
Hey Jeff, I'm Lila from Ingenx, and I'm pleased to introduce our innovative solution for in-factory truck logistics called IQMS. A solution which supports comprehensive processes from gate entry to gate exit, while seamlessly integrates to SAP S/4HANA Cloud ERP. The truck scheduler plays a pivotal role in efficiently managing the scheduling of transactions for customers, transporters, and their own fleet. Upon scheduling a transaction, notifications are promptly sent to the end customer or transporter, informing them of the allocated slot for the upcoming transaction. For customers utilizing the platform, they have the ability to attach critical truck information, validate mandatory requirements, and upload essential documents necessary for loading. This includes licenses, permits, or any other documentation required based on the specific properties of the materials being transported. By centralizing these processes within the scheduling platform, customers can streamline their logistics operations and ensure compliance with all regulatory requirements. Usage of technology such as QR codes reduces the lead time for data entry once the truck arrives at the gate, and can also be used to track the truck status while inside the factory premises. Once the truck arrives, it is validated by the security personnel. Post that the operator has a full range of functionality available to record truck information, generating the loading advice, creating relevant loading reference documents, integrating with loading and unloading systems, and generating relevant documents for the truck to leave the premises post-completion of operations. The solution can handle operations for more than 19 industry verticals. The solution comes with inbuilt analytics which can be displayed on screens at parking or at bay allocations to help waiting trucks visualize their status. It also helps operations teams to visualize the loading activity to help take better rescheduling calls.
Thanks Lila, this quick demonstration was great. How can we onboard this solution?
Thanks Jeff. For any inquiries or support with IQMS, please email us at info.sales@ingenx.com. You can also find IQMS on the SAP App Store for download and support. We are here to assist you promptly. Looking forward to connecting with you.